This fine-looking piece of hardware is the collaboration between MCHOSE and Unbox Therapy. UT98 keyboard, it's a keyboard that is completely cool-looking yet extremely silent. No, seriously, hear this out. Yeah, that quiet. Right out of the box you will see a quick card on how to use some shortcuts, like how to change the RGB lights and how to swap between different wireless modes. There is a USB-C to A cable here, extra keycaps and a single color spacebar, extra switches and a keycap and switch puller tool as well. Of course, here is the keyboard itself. It comes with a dust cover, which is a nice thing to have. The keyboard itself is black and white, themed with MCHOSE and Unbox Therapy logo on the space bar. And actually all the fonts and logos are designed with the Unbox Therapy font here. It's a 98% keyboard, which is actually like a TKL in terms of the size, but it still has a full numpad part on it. It's a super cool for people that prefer smaller keyboards but can't live without the numpad. It also has an aluminum volume wheel on it with a cool light bar as well. It's a super nice thing to turn around and play with. Nice to see a change from the volume knobs in the corner of a keyboard. So let's see the main specs of this keyboard. Keycaps are double shot PBT cherry profile, super nice to type on as they are not too deep, I mean not too tall. The shell is plastic here, but it feels super nice and premium, doesn't creak or squeak at all. The plate is flexible, it should be POM, but I'm not certain on that, there is no info that, but it flexes when you type to absorb the keystrokes. But that is not all. Under it, there are 5 more dampening layers to fine-tune the sound of these switches. Speaking of the switches, I got it with silent pitch V3 switches, and oh boy, these are insanely quiet. I swear that I haven't heard such a silent switch yet. It also feels like it has some sort of rubber to dampen the bottom out of a switch as well. I mean, you will hear them when a typing test starts, literally noiseless. They are made by Autemu, the operating force is around 40 grams, total travel distance is about 3.3 millimeters, and there is a pre-travel that is around 2.5 millimeters. The rated life expectancy should be around 80 million keystrokes. Since you can remove the switches, it is obviously that this is a hot swappable keyboard supporting 3 or 5 pin switches, and they are south-facing LED ones. The keyboard is wired using a USB-C port in the middle on the back of the keyboard, while it also supports 2.4 GHz mode, wireless mode actually, and Bluetooth mode as well. In order to use the 2.4 GHz mode, you need to use the included dongle, which is hidden actually in the corner of the keyboard. There is this metal bar, just press it, it will pop up on one side and you can remove the metal plate to reveal the dongle. It's neatly hidden for sure. And it is also held by a magnet in place. It also has a 10,000 mAh battery. This is huge, promising up to 909 hours of life without RGB and up to 77 hours with RGB on. It also supports Mac and Windows functionality as well. On the bottom side there are rubber feet on all corners, and the angle that it comes stock is fine for most people. But in case you like it to be more angled, there are 2-stage rubber feet included as well. I will not comment anything on the RGB, I mean every keyboard has it, nothing specially, nothing new, it's there, not obnoxiously in your face, and it doesn't shine through the keycaps since they are not translucent, and I actually prefer it this way. The light is actually super cool this way. And now enjoy the typing test. The silent pitch V3 switches are something else, I promise. To be honest, I was skeptical about this keyboard because I never tried the 98% layout and I always wanted to, but I also wanted a quiet keyboard. When the MCHOSE reached out to me, frankly, I was like, oh come on, not another keyboard with some loud switches that they are promising that are best in the world. But actually these are cool. And after talking to them and hearing more about these particular switches here, I wanted to test it. And oh boy, this has become my daily driver keyboard immediately from unboxing it. Firstly, the layout is epic. I like smaller keyboards, but I need numpads constantly. So this is that mix, that perfect layout where you have it all in a cool, neat package. I admit, getting used to the home and page up and page down button is a bit hard in the beginning since they are moved on top of the numpad, but you get used to this pretty quick. So if you use those keys a lot, you will get used to this. The dedicated calculator button is also super thoughtful too. And the best part of all, the volume wheel is awesome here. I find myself playing with that wheel more often than I like to admit. Then there is the WebDriver, which you can access through the browser, so no need to install any drivers. Here you can remap any key, you can record macros, change lighting, and you can also change hibernation. I mean, you can change in how many minutes it will enter the sleep mode if it is on the wireless. You can also change it to Mac mode here and update firmware as well. Basic stuff, but it gets the job done, and having no need to install the driver is only a plus. But the best part about it is the current price of only $99. This seems epic to me because you're getting a good hardware here. You get the PBT keycaps, extremely quiet and satisfying switches that will not wake up anyone sleeping even in the same room as your keyboard is. And above all, a cool looking keyboard since it's not boring at all. It's a black and white mix that looks dope together, but if you are not into that thing and you like the retro color keyboard, well, there is one available too. I have nothing negative to say about this keyboard. Honestly, I am trying to, but there is nothing negative here. It's what it is. It's fairly priced, it delivers everything that is advertised, it's dope, it's built good here, and I especially like that there are rising brands out there creating their name and putting much more sounding brands to shame. MCHOSE did an amazing job here and keep it up. Hope you liked the video, guys. Sub to the channel, like and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.